Pascoe, VP Consulting Services and part of the senior leadership team at Applexus. The fast-paced and sensitive fashion industry has witnessed a dramatic shift in the last few years. The changing business requirements, varying consumer expectations, disruptions, and the need to serve consumers on time have added new hurdles and made the landscape more competitive. Retailers are expanding and creating their own brands, while wholesalers and manufacturers are getting into retail. The blurring of lines between manufacturing and retail means many fashion businesses start employing two different systems to sustain their business, extend their value chain, and gain a competitive advantage. Retailers who are on SAP Retail jump to SAP AFS, and manufacturers and wholesalers who are on SAP AFS embraced SAP Retail. When they got into each other's territories to extend their reach and capture new customers, which we noticed accelerated during the pandemic. In essence, these businesses ended up utilizing two ERP systems, SAP AFS and SAP Retail. This led to disparate systems, multiple data sources, too many applications, and other conflicts that convoluted their processes and limited their ability to respond to emerging market trends quickly. Vertical integration made the fashion industry more difficult, necessitating the need to use sustainable technology to ensure all operations work smoothly and in harmony. This is where SAP S for Fashion comes into the picture. SAP HANA for Fashion and vertical businesses, through its vertical simplicity, allows fashion brands to change their business models, re-engineer processes, and reinvent their approach to intelligently match demand and supply. You only need one solution or platform to run your business on all channels, be it e-commerce, wholesale, retail, or even manufacturing. S/4HANA for Fashion runs end-to-end through the entire value chain. The sophisticated features within SAP S/4HANA make it possible to integrate and run next-generation real-time processes, gain insights with inbuilt embedded analytics, and empower users with real-time data to save businesses time and money. From production planning to order delivery, S/4HANA ushers a new era of intelligent and connected digitized supply chains. SAP S for Fashion improves visibility, flexibility, profitability, and customer satisfaction. The solution can quickly adapt and intelligently cope with ever-changing market demands, even when stocks are low. The ability to look right down the supply chain means businesses are always informed and can manage their priorities and commitments to top-tier clients or channels on time. There have been a variety of key innovations in S/4HANA, such as flexible purchasing commitments, supply-demand overview, supply protection, decision supporting Fiori apps in the area of supply assignment, and season management. All these innovations and S/4HANA's processing speed have allowed fashion companies to simplify their IT infrastructure and business operations. If retailers and wholesalers find themselves handling multiple solutions, they can prioritize a migration to S/4HANA right away through programs like Rise with SAP and other cloud-based solutions. Even better, if you went through our seamless superior running start methodology to get your business onto S/4HANA, the proprietary tools, best practices, accelerators, strategies, and learnings through numerous successful deployments have helped us develop a lower risk, faster, cost-effective, and better approach to help fashion firms implement S/4HANA. Rest assured, once completed, your fashion business will become much more streamlined and manageable. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.